Welcome to our video on how to keep your mobile banking secure. In today's digital world, mobile banking has become an integral part of our daily lives. However, it's essential to remember that with the convenience of mobile banking comes the responsibility of ensuring its security. In this video, we will share valuable tips and tricks to help you protect your finances while using mobile banking services. So, let's get started. Tips and tricks, ensuring mobile banking security. 1. Strong and unique passwords. One of the most critical steps in securing your mobile banking is to establish strong and unique passwords. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to create a password that is hard to guess. Avoid using personal information, such as your name or birth date, in your passwords. Additionally, make sure to use different passwords for each of your online accounts to prevent a domino effect in case of a security breach. 2. Enable two-factor authentication. To add an extra layer of security to your mobile banking, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Two-factor authentication requires you to provide an additional piece of information, such as a fingerprint or a unique code sent to your mobile device, in addition to your password. This ensures that even if someone manages to obtain your password, they won't be able to access your account without the secondary authentication factor. 3. Keep your device updated. Regularly updating your mobile device's operating system and mobile banking app is crucial for maintaining security. These updates often include important security patches and improvements that can protect your device from potential vulnerabilities. Set your phone to automatically install updates to ensure you are always benefiting from the latest security features. 4. Be cautious of public Wi-Fi. When using mobile banking, it is essential to be cautious of public Wi-Fi networks. Public networks can be vulnerable to hacking attempts, potentially exposing your sensitive information to malicious users. Whenever possible, use a secure and trusted Wi-Fi connection, such as your home network or a private hotspot created by your mobile network provider, to perform financial transactions. 5. Install trusted security software. Protect your mobile device from malware and other security threats by installing a reputable security software application. These applications can detect and remove malicious software, phishing attempts, and other potential risks to your mobile banking security. Ensure that the security software you choose is recognized and well reviewed within the mobile security community. By following these essential tips and tricks, you can maintain a secure mobile banking experience and keep your personal and financial information protected. Remember to create strong and unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, keep your device and apps updated, be cautious of public Wi-Fi networks, and install trusted security software. Safeguarding your mobile banking doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few simple steps can make a significant difference. Keep your finances secure and enjoy a worry-free mobile banking experience. Thank you for watching our video on mobile banking security. We hope you found these tips and tricks valuable. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on digital security. Stay safe and secure in the digital world. See you next time.